We started with Farm Credit in 1994, so we've been with them for 27 years now. It's been a great partnership. I'm Art Van Wingerden, co-CEO of Metrolina Greenhouses. We have 2 locations. We're here in Huntersville, North Carolina. We also have a location in York, South Carolina. Between the 2 locations, we operate about 16 million feet of growing space. About 8 million square feet of that is indoor heated space and about 8 million square feet of outdoor growing space.
So this is a big business, but it's a family business. Today we have about 1,400 total employees between our 2 locations, and we see that continuing to grow. I'm Abe Van Wingerden. I'm the co-CEO here at Metrolina Greenhouse. And then our Farm Credit relationship started with just a small loan, but Farm Credit knows agriculture and they know people who work with plants. And that relationship has grown. They've been with us through it all and will continue to be in the future too.
Whatever we've needed when we need to do big expansions, Farm Credit helped us along the way with long-term loans. They help us with the line of credit. One of the things that we really like is the patronage refunds. So since they're a co-op, they take their profits that they get and they split it back out to their customers, and we enjoy getting that every year.
As we've grown, Farm Credit's grown with us, and as Farm Credit's grown, we've grown with Farm Credit through bigger loans, stronger partnerships, but most importantly, through the people we deal with every day. Our relationship with Farm Credit's not about the money, it's about the people that know our business, understand farming, and understand what we try to accomplish every day.